I am deputizing for the minister, which means I have the power that he has at the moment. So that gives me the right to fire you if you are being insubordinate. Remember that.
I will.
Now, if you don't mind, could you go inside and get that position ready that I asked you to do almost a week ago? Celine, I also need you to do a speech for me so I can make the address concerning the situation about the students that bought the sweets with the THC. All right?
Okay. Can you remind me what the petition is for?
Interesting. You're acting in the capacity of a personal secretary and you can't remember the things that you should be reminding me of. How did you get this job?
Dr. Grant, could you remind me what the petition is about?
First of all, young lady, take that bass out of your voice. And don't act as if your incompetence should be understood or accepted. Accountability is very important in this line of work. Now, take a few steps back and ask again.
Dr. Grant, could you please tell me what the petition is for?
Of course, Celine. The petition is to get the cabinet to sign off on the use of natural remedy for the flu that's going around.
You mean the new strain of COVID?
Okay, if that works better for you.
Dr. Grant, may I ask a question?
If you must.
Why are you pushing this agenda when it has been proven that all variants are different and has to be approached with new tests to find out the nature of the strain?
Oh, you're right. So basically, we should continue to develop more vaccines in a short periods of time rather than looking at herbs that have worked over the period of the pandemic.
And these herbs were approved by who? You?
They have been tested and proven.
Says who?
Says the one person sitting in this office with a medical degree and a practicing professional, and is also the head of the health ministry.
Who was also brought up on charges for medical negligence. I'm sorry, Dr. Grant. I didn't mean to go out of line.
Oh, don't stop now, Celine. I see you're on a roll. I see you've done your research. But did you also see where I defended myself and all charges were dropped and I was exonerated? Or did you conveniently forgot to mention that? Listen, little miss. I don't know which of the brothers you opened your legs for to get this job, but I expect real work in this office as long as I am here. Not bitch-like behavior or sass. All that is proven to me is that you haven't grown out of your high school mentality. Wait, is that silence? Oh, you're telling me no comeback lines? No. So you only have an answer if it's confrontational.
If there is nothing else, Doctor, I'd like to start the speech and the petition that you requested.
Oh, great. Now that sounds like a plan.